Hello everybody! Welcome to my channel and welcome back to my channel. Should I say that? No. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel, everybody. Hello, how are you? And in today's video, I'm really excited about this. I couldn't wait to do this. I planted a potatoes, red potatoes and purple potatoes. Okay.
They're in there somewhere.
Yeah. So today we decided we're gonna make pancake potatoes.
Potato pancakes.
Potato pancakes.
Mhm.
And I know that there's potatoes in here now. This has been here in this box for 2 months now. 2 months. And they look very, very healthy, as you can see right here. So what I'm gonna do in this corner right here, guys, we can't, I can't harvest all of them all at once because there's gonna be too much. So I'm just gonna focus in this corner right here, see what I got. Okay. So here we go. So if you see, I like the baby potatoes. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. So I'm really only focusing this corner here, so focus on this, Daddy. So this is just one corner. This is just one corner right here.
Wow. So hot.
Oh my
I
word.
think that's enough for breakfast.
Is this enough for breakfast?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you're growing good.
Look at this, so cute.
How did you start these growing?
Oh, that's a ginger. Is that ginger? I started in I just bought a bag of red potatoes at the store. And then
Yeah, tell them how you did it.
I laid like maybe 10 potatoes in here, 10 potatoes that I bought from the store. And then I covered it with mulch. And then I watered it, I fertilized it organically once a week. But
Just from the store.
yeah, so
That's just one corner.
this is just one corner, guys. One corner. Oh my goodness. So, look at this.
Show the potatoes when
Just in this side. Oh my gosh.
potatoes when you grab them.
Okay,
The big ones.
look at that.
Oh, surprise.
So, I mean, just in this side right here, all these potatoes here in one corner. Can you imagine the whole box? The whole box is a what? 8 by, probably not 8 by 10. It's, I would say 8 by 8.
But it's a lot. Look at that. Wow.
So there's more. It keeps coming. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going around this base here because I don't want to take them out yet.
Stealing.
Oh my gosh.
Show them the potato when they come up. And don't throw them so
Okay.
fast.
Okay, hold on. Here's another one. Whoops.
Show the camera.
Oh, hold on. Here's more.
And hold it in your hand so you can see. Yeah, good.
And then here's more.
Good.
Okay. So I'm so happy with this. This in this corner right here, guys. See?
Mm-hmm.
Just in this corner, and I'm sure there's more in here. And this is what I got.
Wow.
That's a lot of potatoes. Oh my god.
She's so excited.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this back up. Okay? Cover this back up. And then hopefully it will give me more potatoes in a couple weeks.
Wow. Couple
All right.
weeks.
So
Okay.
I hope you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And also like and share. Comment down below if you have any questions of how I started this yield in here. So here we go. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.